So we are installing the torque solution transmission mount, and there is already one torque solution. I think they call them roll stopper. It's like an engine mount. So let's see how's the vibration after the installation. And this is the shifter bushings. We will see if they do any change. So the purpose of the video is to see the difference between the rubber bushings and the poly bushings in terms of vibration. So we had to remove the air filter and the battery tray to get out to reach the mount. So I'm not sure how hard it is to open, but I'll use this extension with the impact, and let's see how hard it is to get out the mount. It's easy to open the nut with the impact, as there is a space here if you have a small impact. So pulling the mount out is impossible because we have those studs holding the mount even if you remove the nut. So what you have to do is, I got those similar to this, to those sockets. They are supposed to open seized nuts, so seized studs. So I used them here, and you can open the whole stud out. It will be much easier than dropping the transmission. As you see, the stud is rotating, so I remove them out, and this is like a very easy solution to remove the motor mount out. You need a stud puller. If you don't have, you need one of those, but you have to use a lot of PB. So I removed the stud out without damaging the threads. So let's go for the other three studs. So as you see, I pulled out the studs. Two here, pulled this one out, one to go. Well, since I opened the mount, removed it, I have little space, so this is the shifter linkage, as you see, and I think it's just a matter of removing this OEM bushing, which is here, and change it with the torque solution. That's it. There is one here and one below it. One last step for the second bushing for the shifter cable. The one that was used, like the OEM one, you can't use it again. It's so flexible. The one supplied with the torque solution is too big, so you will have to use the one that was on the first linkage, which is this. So the thing is with those bushings, the torque solutions, when you rotate them on the mount, like the whole position change. So this is the best position I can get out of them. As you see, still here on this side, the hole is not aligned with the mount hole, and well, it's the hole aligned in a straight way but not on sideways. Of course, this is after I jacked the transmission for 1 inch. So I'm not sure how I am going to put the stud in. This is the thing, and to reach this position, you will have to make the straight part of the bushing facing the chassis. After many tried, this is how it's aligned for me. The straight part facing this side, little bit slightly on the downside. So finally it's went smooth, and as we saw earlier, the hassle is in rotating the bushing until you aligned it with the hole here, and you will have to use a jack to align the hole. That's it. Otherwise you don't have to bend this or that or do anything. The linkage, transmission linkage bushings as well, they are both in, so that's it. Let's drive the car and see the impression. Okay, so what I did is I installed the roll stopper, the one that goes under the engine. I think it's an engine mount, torque solution polyurethane. I drove a car for a while, and then I installed the transmission one, the one that came on the left side. Okay, it's polyurethane as well from tourqe solution as well. So the final verdict is when I installed the roller stopper and then drove the car, there was vibration. But guess what? The vibration is worse than when I installed the another one. So when both in the car, the roller stopper and the side transmission mount, both of them polyurethane, both of them tourqe solution, the vibration is less somehow. I don't know why. When it was only one, the roller stopper, the vibration was more. As you see, there is no vibration now. It's like the vibration is slightly less than OEM, than stock mounts. So the only thing that is increased when I installed the other one, the other mount, the side mount, is the drivetrain noise. Yes, you can hear like the transmission working now on the cabin. So this is the downside. As for the transmission linkage shifters, yes, the lever now is more crisp, and it somehow feel like easier to shift, but it's not that much better than stock. No, it's little bit better, but there is some learning curve until you get used to the new tourqe solution linkage bushing. So this is the final verdict. Thank you for watching the video, and just like and subscribe.